Hello. We've got the Apple Air Mac Pro laptop, and we want to make it from the pad, which gets frustrating sometimes. You're trying to do two things with it, two different things, searching and texting and what have you. That we went and we bought the iHOME universal wireless mouse, and we got it at Walmart. Total, we paid about $29 for it, and we brought it home, and we're going to make now our wireless mouse compatible with our laptop. Now when you open this up, these instructions are with it, the things that you have and you need. With these instructions, they send you two batteries with it, two AAA batteries. The USB-A and the USB Type-C. Now these two parts go together. These two parts is what makes your wireless system wireless and work and compatible with your mouse. And I'm going to show you how they go together, and then I'm going to show you how to install them into your computer and how to put the batteries in your mouse. And then I'm going to show you how to go to your settings and go to mouse and let your wireless mouse and the Bluetooth connect onto your computer so that they are one system. Now, we're going to take out this part here along with this part. These two parts go together. This goes right into here. They go just like that and push it in nice and firm. Now, this part here, you have two ports on your computer on the side over here. And I'm going to plug mine in over here. And I'm going to push it till it's firm and clicks. You'll hear it click. It's now firmly in there. So, my wireless system is in my computer. The other thing you need is your pad for your mouse. Now, when you take your mouse, you take it out, there's a button right here that you're going to push. And when you push this button, these two parts come apart. Now, this is where your batteries go. Right here on the left-hand side, this battery shows positive. Right here on your right-hand side, this battery shows negative. Now, on your batteries, your positive side is the small round end up top. See the little positive sign? So that means over here on the left-hand side where it shows positive, the negative end, which is the round end right here, flat, that goes down with the positive end up. Now on the right-hand side, it shows negative. So this is your negative. So that means that the positive end goes down. So you have positive on the left, negative on the right. Now, when you close this back, you're going to see it. When you close it, it's firm. It snaps back firmly. When you throw your switch on, you're going to see it light up. Turn it off. Okay. Now it's lit up. You got your red light here. We're going to go to settings. It's already working. You're going to go to your mouse. You're going to click your mouse. And they've already paired. This system is already paired. It's working. You can see the mouse, the cursor moving back and forth. So I can close that now. And here's the other wonderful thing about this. Is you have this wheel. You can now move the page up and down. So I'm going to go to the internet. I'm going to open Yahoo. and I can scroll this page up and down with this wheel. You see my page going up and down? I don't have to do anything. I just take this wheel and I can scroll up and down to each story that's on Yahoo just by using this wheel. Now your mouse works just like any other mouse. You left click and you right click. And I'm going to close this page. And I'm going to show you this here again. This is the iHOME Universal Wireless Optical Mouse for a Mac and PC. It is wireless. It's a nice little unit. All you need is 2 AAA batteries which come with it. Then these 2 pieces come with it, which is your wireless. This is what the mouse talks to, back and forth. It's a nice system, and I suggest that when you get into the habit of, when you're through with your computer, the switch is right here. You just throw it off, and you save your batteries, and they should last 6 months to a year, depending on how long you use it and for how long amount of time you're with it. And it's a nice little mouse. We like it. It makes our laptop easier to use. We enjoy it. As you can see, the cursor's moving back and forth right there, right now. And we made this video to help you install it and make it easy and understanding. And if you like this video, just hit the like page and subscribe. And until the next video, we speak blessings to you and thank you for watching.